Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can make text glow in Canva. Right now as you can see we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank image template, right? Now what we are going to do is we are going to select this template first and change the background color. So I have clicked on color palette and from here I have just chosen the gray color, right? Now what we are going to do is we are going to click on the text in the left side toolbar and then select the heading. Okay, and here we are just going to type another heading. For example, here I'm just typing subscribe digital Bikana because you have still not subscribed, right? So I am going to select this text and here we can put it in such manner, and here you can simply change the text color. Okay, and now what we are going to do is we are going to add effects, right? You can also change the color to some another color. Let me change the color to, what is your favorite color, my dear friend? Sir, all colors are the same. No, my dear friend, all colors are not the same, right? For example, I have chosen this gradient color. Let me change this because it is not suiting. Okay, we can also change the background color. So let me change the background color. Sir, it's too harsh. No issues, my dear friend. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are just going to add the glowing effect, which was our main topic, right? So here I have selected the text and clicked on effects, and here I'm going to click on glow, and here I'm just increasing the glowness of this text, right? So as you can see, our text is now glowing. Sir, is the text glowing? Yeah, it's glowing, my dear friend. It's glowing, right? You can see. Like if I choose any light color, then you would come to know, right? The text is glowing. Sir, how I can make it look more glow? Yeah, you can do it, right? For example, let me remove the effect, right? Let me remove the effect and let me change the color of the text. Okay, so I've changed the color of text. Now I'm going to click on share and then download this image. So what are you doing? I'm just selecting the file type as PNG and then transparent background, and only this page I want to download. Okay, I've downloaded. Right now we are going to save this image into our system. Okay, so a pop-up, a dialog box would appear and we will click on save. Okay, now we are going to add another page, and here I'm going to change the color to whatever color you want, right? Let me make this color to pink. Now here we are going to uploads and then upload file and then upload that image file. Okay, now we are going to select this text and here you can simply edit it, and here you can simply scroll down, add glow effect, right? You can also change the color of the glow from here. Sir, this option was not available while editing the text. Yeah, my dear friend, you just caught the right thing, right? Now what we are going to do is you can increase the intensity, right? You can change the blur amount as well, right? You can increase and decrease the size as well, right? So in this manner you can simply add a good glowing effect to your text in Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.